KCT 350 Kaeser Medical Air Compressor. Kaeser is a big manufacturer of medical air compressor, oil-free air compressor for food-grade air. Subscribe this channel and learn technology. Come to this video. Our new project for overhauling of medical air compressor. It mostly used in dental airline, breathing air system, medical equipment operating. We started step by step. First, dismantle its fan cover. Second, dismantle its head assembly. Third, check its suction discharge valve. Look, its valves are damaged and misplaced from its position, suction and discharge sides. Fourth, check its piston and cylinder.